Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Tlauncher account. Alright, so let's begin. If you're using Tlauncher and want to create an account so you can log into Minecraft through it, here's a clear step-by-step guide you can follow. First, open Tlauncher on your computer. Once it's open, minimize it and launch your web browser. In the address bar, go to the official website tlauncher.org. When the website loads, make sure the language is set to English if it isn't already. On the homepage, look for the sign up option and click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Here, you need to enter a username. This will be your in-game name, your email address, and a secure password. After filling in the required details, complete the I am not a robot verification and click on the sign up button. After signing up, Tlauncher will send a confirmation email to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from Tlauncher and click on the confirmation link inside it. This step is important because it verifies your account. Once you've clicked the link, your account will be successfully verified. Now go back to the Tlauncher website, click on authorization at the top of the page and enter the username and password you just created. After logging in, you can manage your Minecraft profile from the website, including uploading or changing your skin. Next, reopen Tlauncher on your computer. In the launcher window, look at the bottom right section where the account area is displayed. Make sure the accounts option is enabled. In the accounts window, click on add to add a new account. A small window will appear asking for authorization details. Make sure you select the option that says authorization at tlauncher.org. This is very important, otherwise the login won't work correctly. Now enter the same username and password that you used to create your account on the website. After entering your details, click on Save Account. If everything is correct, your account will be added successfully. Once the account is saved, go back to the main launcher screen. You should now see your newly added account selected. Choose your preferred Minecraft version from the version list, then click Enter the game, and that's it. This is how you can create Tlauncher account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.